How you doing, everyone? Thank you for tuning in. Today we have Under Armour on our radar, and it's on the daily chart, and their ticker symbol is UAA. Again, that's ticker symbol UAA, and that's for Under Armour Incorporated. And we're here on the daily chart. So for Under Armour, we had it here basically, I think since last week, basically wanted to come up. And it kind of played around this area. It did come up a bit, but it came right back down today for market open. So let's see if we're going to actually get a turnaround in this area. Now, because we are here and I want to provide some more nuggets for you guys and gals, and I want to just make sure that I can provide as much as I can. So with this level here, right, what we're seeing here is we're seeing that we have some consolidation here in this area. So this is what this looks like here from here to here, right? So what we want to see in this area is for price to actually just break out, come back in, probably retest this area, and then continue going upward, right? That's what we officially want to see. And now this can definitely, like I said, it can definitely go up to this point here. So, but that's what you want to look for. Excuse me. Anything around that $6 mark where you can basically enter here and continue going upward, that's the sweet spot right there. That is the sweet spot. So do not by any means let that discourage you from getting in or anything like that. And again, this is just for educational purposes, but just basically showing you guys how I look at the charts. That's basically it. But yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, again, please feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. If you have any recommendations for any charts you'd like for me to break down, I can go ahead and do that as well. Thank you to everyone who's been subscribing, everyone who's been following my journey. I'm just here trying to help everyone or whoever's watching learn how to mark up, do charts, and basically along the way just understand these markets a little bit better. That's basically it. So thank you so much for all of you that watched, that liked, that commented. I really greatly appreciate everything. If you haven't followed yet or subscribed yet, please feel free to do so. And if you have any questions or anything of that nature, just want to say hello, please leave a comment down below in the comment section. Thank you for tuning in. And if you have any questions, again, feel free to reach out. You can reach out through my Instagram or even just in any video in the comment section. Again, thank you for tuning in. Have a great day. Bye.